Okay, here's what I would like you to do. I would like to see if you could go to Assistant, open up Affiliates. Then I would like you to go to Google and type in iPhone compare US wholesale. What I would then like you to do is try to populate the affiliate sheet. All you need to do is put in the company name, the website link, and a phone number to talk to a customer representative if possible. So here I'll go through one, iWholesaleParts.com. They have a phone number. Well, first it's iWholesale Parts. iWholesale Parts. You want to get their website domain. And then you want to put in their phone number, which is listed right here. Let's try to get all four phone numbers in the format XXX-XXX-XXX. Okay, we don't want any spaces or parentheses. So I'm going to do that real quick. Put it into the right format. In this format. So every phone number should be in that format. So go through Google, don't go past the 10th page. You could also look at the ads on the side. We just want to extract as many company names as we can, but don't go past the 10th page. And look for repeat numbers or repeat names. We don't want any duplicates. So I'll do one more just to help you out. Okay, so the name is there's the website, and here's a phone number. That's all you need to do. Oh, but we gotta put it in the right format. Let's just check real quick to see if there's any duplicates. You can check by hitting Control F and pasting it right in there. Nope, no duplicates. That's all we need to do.